Hi, today we are going to see about the live budget. It's very interesting. Okay, we'll see what are the changes they have made on top of the what are the different sector and all. Okay, now we'll see. Now the live budget is going on. Yeah, so Udan Regional Connectivity Scheme. So especially in the airport sector, 4 crores additional passengers in the next 10 years to support helipads and smaller airport in Delhi and Northeast district. Greenfield Airport to be facilitated in Bihar to meet further need of the state. Patna Airport to be expanded. Then live coverage, maritime around 25,000 crore support. Maritime Development Fund of 25,000 crores for distributed support and promoting competition. Up to 49% contribution by the government, balanced by port and private sector. Okay. Now going to the third. In the power sector, 100 gigawatt target for nuclear mission. 100 gigawatt of nuclear energy by 2047. Partnership with the private sector to be promoted. Nuclear energy mission for small modular reactors with an outlay of 20,000 crores. Fourth one, 40,000 new home under SWAMH scheme. Villas and apartment you can see. Okay, fine. Then public-private partnership. 3 years pipeline of project to be prepared. Outlay of 1.5 lakhs crore to state for capex with 50 years loan. All the public, private and partnership sector, they are providing 1.5 lakhs crores. That is the budget for this. Okay. Capex with 50 years of loan. Now, gig workers. Government will arrange for identity cards and registration of gig worker on the e-Shram portal. Healthcare to be provided to assist nearly 1 crore gig workers. You can see Zomato and Swiggy and all the delivery boys, they can enjoy now. Okay. Power sector reforms. Additional borrowing of 0.5% of state GDP will be allowed for state for power sector reform. That's why you might have observed in many cities up to 200 unit is totally free. After that, whatever is coming, you have to pay. AI in education. Center of Excellence for AI in Education to be set up with a 500 crores investment. So they are going to invest 500 crores in AI education and all. Now expansion of capacity in IITs. The total number of students has increased 100% in the past 10 years to facilitate the education of 6,500 more students. Additional infra will be created in the 5 IITs started from 2014. Kishan credit card. Increase in credit card limit from 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs. Loans can be taken through Kishan credit card. India to be global hub. They are going to invest lot more amount in the toys sector also. Toys focused scheme to be launched to make India a global hub of a toy manufacturing. Now the next is footwear and leather. Focus on quality footwear. Focused product scheme will be implemented. Focus on non-leather quality footwear. Scheme is expected to facilitate employment of 22 lakhs people, export of over 1.1 lakhs crore. Now the next, renewable energy. Fintech manufacturing. You can see the solar energy and all. Building ecosystem for solar EV cells, wind turbines, grid scale batteries, etc. Mission for cotton productivity. 5-year mission to promote cotton production in India. Fund of funds for startups. Alternate investment funds have received commitment of more than 90,000 crores. New fund of fund with expanded scope and a fresh contribution of 10,000 crore will be set up. Now, next is developing agri district program. They are going to expand the agriculture sector as well. PM Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana to focus on 100 districts with low productivity to benefit 1.5 crores farmer. National Mission for Edible Oilseed. Government to push for Atmanirbhar Bharat in pulses with a 6-year mission for pulses focused on wood and mushroom. Okay. Now the next is Makhan board in Bihar. Special support to Makhan farmers. Generally, in the Bihar state, actually, I mean, a lot of farmers will get who are working in Makhans, production of the Makhans and all. Okay, so they are going to support Makhan farmers as well. That's all, guys. Thank you so much.